Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove background for free in Canva. If you guys want to make your photos pop without paying for a pro subscription, here I'm going to show you the ultimate workaround to remove backgrounds in Canva for free. So now you can just prepare your image in here. And as you know that the background remover in Canva is a pro feature, so if you don't have a pro in Canva, you can just hit near here, go to the apps option, and you can just search for the background remover. You can just use the background as the keyword. Okay, this one, background eraser. You can use this apps right here. It is free and you can just click on open. Here you can choose an image right here. Let's see, I'm gonna just find a new image. Let's say this one right here. Hit on open and you can just click on remove background and just wait until the app is show you the result. So removing the background. Okay, so it is done and this is the result. So the photo will have no background like this, and you can save it as PNG if you want to. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks.